Hi Aquarius, welcome to your reading for January 13th through the 20th. Everything is set out here and ready to go. The three stones that will help you the most this week are serpentine, which is the stone of abundance, releases negativity, helps you manifest your dreams, and can connect you with ancient wisdom. Then we have rutilated quartz, which amplifies energy, helps you connect with the divine. And then we have feldspar. This is feldspar topped with quartz, pink quartz. And here's another piece. I found both of those. That feldspar helps you let go of the past, brings creativity and innovative thinking. Then you have the Algiz rune, which is the rune of friendship and protection. It helps you control your emotions. It is also represented by elk, and I have my elk tooth here that I found. Okay, let's get on with your reading, Aquarius. Your first card is the Victory card. That's awesome. That's a good way to start. Then we have the Standing People card. Roots and giving. Standing people are the trees. They remind us to sink our roots deep in Mother Earth for strength. We have the Hour of Power card. Ritual of Joy. These are awesome cards already, Aquarius. And the Field of Plenty. Your ideas and needs are manifested. Wow, you got some really good cards already. And we have the Power Place. Earth, connection, and empowerment. And that's exactly what the Standing People are telling you. And where you can find that earth connection is especially with trees or being like a tree. You can bend without breaking. You sink your roots deep. The Earth Guardian says stay rooted and grounded. That's exactly what this is saying. Medicine Guardian, be open to healing information. The Hermit, retreat and recharge. And do that out in nature, please. All the cards are telling you that. Then you have the Trader card, which says exchange energy to create abundance. Share your energy and your ideas, your dreams. And Mother Earth reminds you to feel loved and comforted. And this is another Earth card. So you are being strongly advised to spend time in nature this week and ground yourself. Look at the bigger picture. It is time to release negativity. And you can do that when you're grounding yourself in nature. The answers you need are coming. And don't forget that you are good enough. Bottom of this deck, meditate and contemplate. And what is our Hermit doing here? He is meditating and contemplating. You need to spend some time alone this week, Aquarius. But Sandpiper Spirit reminds you to also be playful. Don't take things too seriously. Crow Spirit reminds you to co-create with Spirit. Don't try and do it on your own. Skunk Spirit says, know your worth. You are good enough. Don't forget that. Seahorse Spirit asks you to watch and wait. This week is not a time to make big decisions or moves or changes. This is the week to go inside of yourself and ground yourself in nature. Do some meditation and contemplation, but don't make any decisions. Dove Spirit reminds you to be peace. Not be at peace, not find peace, but be peace. Not only for yourself, it will affect everyone around you. No conflict, no arguments this week. Be peace. Your Stone People medicine card is the snake, which reminds you to let go of the past, shed that old skin, start out brand new. And I think the meditation and the grounding in nature is going to help you do that. So your cards are awesome this week, Aquarius. You need to have a peaceful week of grounding yourself in nature, going inside. So we're going to place your stones now. We have serpentine, which is abundance, releases negativity, brings in that ancient wisdom. I'm going to put that on the Hermit card, the retreat and recharge. That's going to be very important for you this week. The rutilated quartz amplifies energy and helps you connect with the divine. And I'm going to put that on meditate and contemplate. Our feldspar helps you let go of the past, brings in creativity and innovative thinking. And we're going to put that on it's time to release negativity. Let go of the past. And then our rune is the rune of friendship and protection, moderation, civility. And let's put that on the Earth Guardian. Stay rooted and grounded. I hope you enjoyed your reading, Aquarius. Have a wonderful week of grounding yourself in nature. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.